Classy, elegant and striking. That's what Space Interiors is all about. Let me walk you through one of our premium turnkey projects, designed for a 3 BHK at Sankalp Central Park. The shoe rack marks the start to the home. As we enter, the first thing you notice is this classy and striking foyer unit, crafted with wallpapers on either sides, a cabinet, a few artifacts, and a mirror in accordance with Vastu. Stepping in further, we have added a Shishamwood library unit. The wooden structure, texture wall, and the ottoman elevates the look of the entire area. Simple, sober, minimal design with a touch of wood was our client's concept, and we have helped them bring it to life. So this living room is a perfect example for a new age home. What catches the eye is the customized 3+2 seater sofa unit designed in accordance to the theme. The carefully chosen shades go perfectly with the regal wallpaper. The house is erected with wooden flooring, so for the living room we have used a color scheme of beige and brown to give the space a stylish and a modern look. The living room also has a suspended ceiling to accommodate the strip lighting as well as spotlights for a warm ambience. We have designed a cozy and a warm atmosphere for the balcony, which facilitates perfect relaxation. The eye-catching piece here is the breakfast cum bar counter topped with a Korean overlay. The rope light running across lights up the charcoal laminate incorporated. Here's the new age modular kitchen, designed with a bright palette and a glossy touch. The U-shaped kitchen here has white walls and cabinets to keep up the luxe vibe. We have given the kitchen a waterproof wooden flooring. Crafted with high-gloss merino laminate, this handleless kitchen is all about luxury. Our customized dining area is very much welcoming for the family and their meals as well. In the dining area, we have strategically designed a minimalistic yet eye-catching crockery unit in shades of textured brown. To give it a modern luxe tone, we have added on inlet glass section on the top. Additionally, we have installed a puja room in between, making the best use of space. For the puja unit, we have installed glass shutters and hanging diyas, which adds elegance to the area. The combination of white and gold is what our client is very much fond of, and the same has been reflected in this master bedroom. In the master bedroom, we have designed a floor-to-ceiling sliding wardrobe in subtle yet stunning shades of grey, gold and white. The combination of lacquered glass and grey fabric goes perfectly with the flooring, wallpaper and the theme of the room. The cot is designed with a massive headboard on the back and with a panel of Korean laminate. We also have designed a suspended ceiling that adds character to the room. Kids bring out the joy in everyone, and the theme of this room aptly brings out that joy. To add a pop color to the room, we have used a bright yellow for the texture wall. Suitably, we have provided table lamps, quilts and throw pillows. This room too has a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe designed with sufficient storage space. A study table has been cleverly designed by the side of the window. Also, the study unit matches the tone with a glossy white look. Besides, a bookshelf is laid out with a storage and a full mirror. Atithi Devo Bhava. The guest room is an important component of any home, and we have encompassed a homely environment in this room. The grey wallpaper here stands out to give a sophisticated look that the client desired. The wall art, quilt, pillowcases, foot rug and everything is carefully picked to blend in with the room's theme. For the guest bedroom, we have added a hinged wardrobe with melamine finished laminates. The wardrobe also has mirror detailing to add to the charm of the room. The bathrooms as well are designed and planned to be in sync with the theme of the entire house. For your own customized interior styling, Space Interiors is always at your service.